So this is the last of 3 videos on the lookups, and we've done the 2 vertical lookup tables here, but now we're going to do this horizontal lookup table. Remember the layout of this table. These 2 cells over here are the headers because this table is oriented horizontally. How do I know that it's oriented horizontally? Because of what I'm going to look up, overnight, 2-day, or ground, are in a horizontal orientation, in a row, not a column. So these are the values I'm searching for, and these are the values I'm going to replace. And just to remind, this is actually $0. It's got a 0 in it. And in currency format, it shows a $sign and a dash for a value that's 0. So the other thing to remember is I named this area up here delivery speed table, and that range name does not include these values here because they're the headers, just like weight and charge are headers here, and were not included in the name of this table. So, okay, let's go look it up. So, equals HLOOKUP, and what I'm looking up, the value I'm looking up is delivery service over here, so let's type that. Delivery service column. There it is, it's lit up in blue. The table array is delivery speed table. And now, row index. The header up here, the value I'm searching for overnight 2-day is row 1. Down here, this is row 2, so I put in a 2. And then finally, is it going to be an approximate match or an exact match? Well, I've got my names over here for overnight and 2-day and so on, and this is an exhaustive list of all types of delivery speeds, overnight, 2-day, and ground. That's it. So I expect an exact match in this table. Let's code that, hit enter, and it picked up $25. So this was an overnight delivery. Overnight gets 25 bucks, and that's correct. Let's propagate it down the column, and it's looking good. Let's see, this one was ground. It gets free, it's $0. A 2-day gets $14. So this works just fine. Now, because it's an exact match, if there happened to be a misspelling in the table here, like that, then we get an NA because it didn't find overnight X in the table. So there has to be an exact match, and by the same token, if I misspell ground by putting an X in the middle of the name there, I'll get errors up here because it expects an exact match. Didn't find one. So let's just complete the table very quickly. Total delivery charge equals delivery weight charge plus delivery speed charge. That's those 2, $47. And then order total is price plus total delivery charge. Notice that, whoops, I don't want that paren there. Let's get rid of that. Notice I completed both these because I can select both of them and double click on the little handle here, and it'll propagate both columns down the table all at one time. So, okay, that's how the lookup functions work. Any questions, just ask me in class or send an email.